Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain the City Care ERD video presentation. Uh, in this video, I am going to explain my entity relationship diagram or ERD for the City Care Medical Cleaning database. The purpose of this database is to manage patients, doctor appointments, payments, consultation rooms, and meditation. I have used crossfoot rotation notation to show the relationship and uh, cardinalities between the different entities. First, I will explain the patient entity. The patient entity stores information about each patient. It contains patient ID at the top, full name, then date of birth, then phone number, then email address, and at the end, residential address. Patient ID is the primary key because each patient needs a unique identification number. Each patient can have many appointments, but each appointment belongs to only one patient. Therefore, the relationship between patient and appointment is one to many. Next is doctor. The doctor is entity stores information about doctors. It contains doctor ID at the top. You can see, and then full name, uh, as well as medical specialist, then phone number, and then employment status. Doctor ID is the primary key. A doctor can conduct many appointments, but each appointment is assigned to only one doctor. Therefore, doctor and appointment also have a one-to-many relationship. Now I will explain appointment entity. Appointment is an important entity because it connects the patient as well as patient, doctor, and consultation room. It contains appointment ID, patient ID, then room ID, appointments date, appointment time, appointment status, and then consultation reason. Appointment ID is the primary key in here. Then patient ID, doctor ID, room ID are foreign key because they connect the appointment to the patient, doctor, and room entities. The appointment status can show whether an appointment is scheduled, completed, and cancelled. Next is the room entity on my right. The room entity contains room ID, room name, floor name, and maximum capacity. Room ID is the primary key in here. A room can be used for many appointments over time, but each appointment takes place in only one room. Therefore, room and appointment have a one-to-many relationship. Now, now I will explain the payment entity. You can see on my left, the payment entity stores payment information. It contains payment ID, then payment date, payment amount, and then payment method. Payment ID is the primary key in here, while patient ID is the foreign key. A patient may make multiple payments, but each payment belongs to only one patient. Therefore, patient and payment have a one-to-many relationship. Next is the medication entity. You can see at the end. The medication entity stores information about medication. It contains medication ID, medication name. Medication ID is the formal key. There is a many-to-many relationship between appointments and medications, because one appointment can have multiple medications and the same medication can be prescribed in many different appointments. To resolve this many to many relationship, I created a associative entity called appointment medication. The appointment medication entity contains appointment ID, appointment ID, You can see at the end, appointment ID, uh, then the appointment ID, then medication ID, doses, and duration. Appointment ID and medication ID are foreign keys, and together they identify the particular medication prescribed during a appointment. The dosage and duration are stored in this associative entity because they relate to the prescription for a particular appointment rather than simply to the medication itself. Therefore, appointment has one-to-many relationship with appointment medication, and medication also has a one-to-many relationship with appointment medication. Overall, my ERD contains seven entities: patients, doctor, appointment, room, payment, medication, and appointment medication. The primary key is uniquely identified across while the foreign key connects the related entities. The cross notation shows the cardinality of the relationship, including the one-to-many relationships. These database structures allow city cares to manage its patients, doctor appointments, payment, rooms, and prescribed medication in a organized way. That includes my explanation of the city care entity relationship diagram.